Hello guys, welcome to a new vlog. Today is Wednesday, June 24, and kaninang umaga, as you can see, it was raining so hard. English pa kasi. Pero yun, ang lakas ng ulan kanina, but we just did some errands and then umuwi rin naman kami agad. Andito na ako sa bahay and may dumating na mga packages. Let's unbox them. Medyo ang dami nito. I was not expecting a lot today na dumating. Medyo magaling yung ano ko dito ngayon, yung table ko, so hindi ko na ipapakita. Ang dami ko kasing ginagawa right now. Pero mag-unbox muna tayo. Let's do this first. Okay na to. All of these are from TikTok. Isa lang kasi yung ina-expect kong dumating ngayon, which is yung wristband for my Garmin. Dumating na yung socks din. So, yeah. Again, all of this is from TikTok. I got this socks. Yan siya. And I got this one for free kasi yung unang order ko sa kanila, sira or butas yung isa. So, pinalitan nila. I'm not sure if this helps with my running, pero hindi ganun kahigpit yung compression niya. So, I won't call this a compression socks, but yeah. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung itsura. Pero maganda siya. Maganda naman siya. Ayan o. Ayan. So, yan. Mas maganda pa rin din to kaysa sa ordinary socks. Kasi pag itong ginamit ko, tapos pinagpawisan, hindi siya mabigat sa feeling. So, okay lang. So, I got more light colors or rather, neon colors. I got yellow, green, blue, and a super bright yellow. So, I think this is yellow-green. So, yan. And then, ano to? I think this is a bag tag for Nala. For Nala's bag and tumbler. Ito naman for the bib pag may fun run. So, you can use this instead of yung pardible. So, ito na lang. Nakita ko lang din siya sa TikTok. Ang cute lang kasi ng design. Kasi it's donut. So, this is from Lock-Ins. So, I will be posting this all dun sa showcase ko sa TikTok. So, you can just go on my TikTok and check all of this things that I got from that app. Buffering. And then, I believe this one is the strap. Kasi, yung binili kong strap for this, it's silicone din. But after wearing it for like almost more than 1 week, nag-react na rin yung skin ko. So, I think silicone is not for me. So, I'm gonna try a different one. So, I got this and this, 2 colors. Army green and white. Parang super white pala nung nakuha ko. So, let's check. Basta, iba yung feels nito. So, ano siya, hindi siya silicone. Para siyang ano ba ang tawag dito sa ganito? I'm not sure kung ano yung tawag dito, pero more on cloth type siya instead of silicone. So, hopefully, hindi na ako mag-react dito. But I think mas mabilis tong madudumihan or pagpapawisan since it can absorb water or whatever, or sweat. So, I got it in white again. And then, another package. Ano to? I think alam ko na rin to. Bumili ulit ako ng dry fit. Ang ganda kasi nung dry fit na nabili ko rin sa TikTok. Super nipis and sobrang light lang. Kaya bumili ulit ako ng dalawa pa. It's buy one, take one. Or basta ganun. Para dalawa na siya, tapos 200 plus lang. So, I got the color black and then navy blue. Buksan natin. Pata ko sa inyo. Sakto mag-run ako tomorrow. I'll use one of them. Hindi nalalaban mo, no? But, yeah. Magpapawisan din naman. So, why not? So, ayan. Ayan siya. Super nipis nito, pero super ganda. Mas gusto ko yung manipis at saka magaan. So, pag pinagpapawisan ako, mas prefer ko to kesa dun sa isang brand. Kasi yung isang brand, mas mahal siya. Though maganda naman yung quality, pero ang bigat niya kasi for me, mas magaan to. So, This wins. And then the black one. So that's pretty much all I've got for this mini unboxing from TikTok. So, yun lang. Nanonood lang ako dito ng mga random YouTube videos and just crocheting. And then, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do the rest of the day, but I'll go ahead and see you later. Bye. Hello guys, nandito na ulit ako sa room ko sa baba. Tapos na akong maligo, tapos na akong mag-breakfast, and andito din si Nala right now doing some arts. And I'm just gonna be playing Stardew Valley muna for the whole morning. And then pag akyat ni Nala, I'm gonna film a content for my TikTok. I need to film that book review. And ang tagal ko na rin kasing hindi nakakapag-post ng about books sa TikTok. So, nagiging ano na siya nagiging running content na. But anyway, yun lang naman yung gagawin ko right later on, and then I'm just gonna do some little bit of notes and planning sa aking planner, and maybe a little bit of junk journaling. Let's see. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing for today. So, I'll see you guys later. Current situation, ito pala yung aking current read. This is the Battle of the Bookstores by Ali Brady. I think I'm about 40% on this one. Hi guys, dumating bigla yung yung mga package ko from TikTok. Nanonood lang ako nung K-drama, yung The Royal Nemesis. I think kakatapos niya lang. So, nasa episode 2 pa lang ako. But anyway, bago tayo bumalik sa panonood, I'm just gonna unbox my packages. Medyo madami siya. I think I have 6 here and may isa pang padating. Pero bubuksan ko na to. Let's go. So, ayun, lumipat ako dito sa DJI Osmo Pocket 3 para mas maganda yung pag-unbox natin. But, yeah, I think itong vlog na to, lang siya, puro lang siya unboxing. But, as you can see, I have a lot here. So, halo-halo to for sure. May iba't ibang gamit to, hindi lang to sa akin. So, let's start. I have, I think, 6 package again. So, let's start with this one. Ito yung pinakamabigat. But I think I already know what this is. Oh, diba? Hindi alam yung mga in-order online. But I think it's better to use a cutter. Ano nga ba ito? Bakit? Okay. These are the wipes that I ordered. Yeah. It's from Clean Pant. I ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a promo, I think, kaya 6 siya. I think less 300 pesos lang siya. So, in-order ko na. Para din kasi ito kay Nala. For her school. Kasi mag-i-school na siya. And, hindi ko na muna siya tatanggalin. Para aakit ko na lang siya sa taas. And then, the second one, I think kay Nala din to. Kasi I needed to get her some school supplies and wala lahat sa national. So, let's check. Yep, this is for Nala din. Ito yung dot markers, yung parang pang bingo. Madalas nilang gamitin to sa school eh. So, medyo mahal din to ah. Ito parang 400 plus. So, yes, it is the dot markers. And then, I think this is also for Nala. Lahat ata dumating para kay Nala. Wait lang, let's see. Yeah, this is for her as well. And I think ito yung bag tag niya. And ilalagay ko rin sa tumbler niya yung isa. Kasi hirap lagyan ng stickers lang. So, let's check. Yeah. So cute. Dapat pala umorder din ako for me. Diba? So cute. Open natin. How do you open this? Do I have to? Ipitin na lang natin. So cute, diba? So, isasabit ko lang siya sa bag niya and isasabit ko lang yung isa sa tumbler niya. I think both purple, light lang yung isa. Yan. Tanggalin na lang din natin to sa lalagyan. So, diba, puros para sa anak ko yung ina-unbox natin ngayon. So, it's okay. Yay! Cute. And then, on the next one, I think, hindi ko sure kung ano to. Pero check natin. This is for me. This is my body scrub. Nagustuhan ko yung milk niya. But I'm not sure if there's any difference or may nagbago ba sa skin ko when I'm using it. Hindi ko kasi siya ginagamit araw-araw kasi scrub siya. But I think some other people are using this more than thrice a week. I think araw-araw pa nga. But wait. Siya buksan. So, yeah. And may mga times na hindi ko rin siya nagagamit actually. But this is the Mirai body scrub. I got the one in Mango Glow. Kasi yung isa, yung kinuha ko nung una, yung milk. And I do like the smell of that. Pero for whitening kasi yun. And hindi yun na ako nag-focus. Hindi naman ako nag-focus for whitening. Mas gusto ko yung parang nag-even ng skin tone and nagba-brighten. So I got the one for brightening. Ayan. Malapit na maubos yung isa. So, yun ang gagamitin ko. And then, I think this is for Bowie. Ito yung vitamins na always na binibili ko. Yung probiotics niya. Let me just double check. Yep. It is Bowie's vitamins. Yan, this is from Body. Lagi kong binibili for Bowie. Dalawa siya, 700 ata. May voucher na yun. Mas mahal pag wala. But, mas sulit. Yeah. I always get him the pumpkin flavor kasi mas gusto niya yun. Mas kinakain niya kaysa dun sa beef. Kaya, ayan. And then, the last one. I think sa akin ito. I think I know what this is and I'm actually excited to open this package. I got myself a backpack. Kasi, pag pumupunta ako ng mga fun race, ang ginagamit ko lang is tote bag. Eh, medyo nahihirapan ako sa kanya. Especially, nag-aangkas lang ako pa uwi. Kaya, umorder ako ng backpack. Mura lang to, wala pa tong 500. Parang 400 plus lang to. Sa TikTok. Let's see. Mukhang okay naman yung quality niya. So nice. Oh. And madami kang malalagay. I can put my tumbler here. But I don't think kasya dito yung tumbler ko na Owala. Mas maliit na tumbler siguro. And then, ayan. Let's just open it real quick. Yeah, wala naman siya. And waterproof. And kaya ko to binili kasi meron siyang pocket dito sa gilid. So, dito ko lalagay yung mga mahalagang bagay. Kasi, for sure, madaling mabuksan pag dito. So, ayun. So cute. Man, ganda din ang color, right? Ganda ang color. So, that's just for our quick unboxing mini haul. Hindi pala to quick unboxing kasi nag-unbox na ako before this. So, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and then babalik muna ako sa panonood ng K-drama. And then later on, I'm gonna film again yung book content for TikTok. And I'll see you guys later. Okay, meron tayong pahabol na unboxing. Ito na yung last na package na dumating. So, let's open it. Alam ko na to. Galing to sa sa City. This is a skincare. Bago nilang product. I'm just gonna try it. Why not? So, I got 2 here. Walang freebie. Mukhang freebie yun. So, the first one that I got here is Matcha Melt One Step Makeup Removing Cleanser. So, parang pagod na pagod ka or antok na ito na lang yung gagamitin mo. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-cleansing oil tapos maghihilamos ka pa ulit with another cleanser. So, maganda daw yung reviews dito. But, let's see. And then, the other one that I have, this is where I am excited. But yeah, this is, I don't know how to pronounce it, but Soul Milk Aqua UV Sunscreen. And according to them, this will double as your primer then. So, okay na okay sa akin yun. Gusto ko yung may sunscreen tas may primer para hindi na separate, para isang product na lang. And ito ay with PDRN, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide with 50 plus SPF, PA++++. Lightweight and fast absorbing, and I think the finish on this one is soft matte. So, sana maganda siya. If maganda siya, then I'll probably repurchase this one. But, update ko na lang kayo pag nagamit ko na siya kasi meron pa akong sunscreen doon. Hi guys, meron lang akong Lalamove na padating. I'm gonna get it right now. Galing siya kay Ninong. And I will go. Ano ba yan? Bakit bulol? I'm gonna show it to you later. Wait lang. Kuya, alam mo. Okay na, thank you. Okay, we got the package. Mainit nga. Sabi ni Ninong kasi meron siyang isasama na food pang merienda daw. So, check natin kung ano siya. Wala, nag-moist na siya. Tinapay? Fairness, masarap nga. Spanish bread.
Ano doon yung ko?
All the way from Pasig. Kakaiba nga yung Spanish bread nila.
Spanish blue ring siya.
I think so.
Jane, kuha kayo.
Kuha ka dito. Try mo pa kain kay Nala. By the way, guys, di ba kakatakbo ko lang nung last Sunday from Pride Run, and for this coming Sunday, I'm gonna run again. I'm gonna go to the Rexona 10-miler series for Manila naman, kasi nung last time sa Pasay. I'm not sure how many are they, but mga cities siya around the Philippines, or I don't know. Basta. And this is courtesy of my Ninong and Ate Pichi. So, thank you so much to them. I am gonna be able to experience this. So, let's unbox our race kit. Hindi ko in-expect to. 5 kilometers. I'm gonna run 5 kilometers again. So, okay lang yan. Though, hindi din madali ang 5 kilometers, especially if you're a beginner. But, I'm happy. I'm happy to be part of this and happy to get another medal. So, here's the bib. Oh no, nasusot. There's a raffle and then the baggage tag. There's a loot bag, a finisher's medal, and a finisher's towel. Nice. And then a singlet. I got the size medium. I'll probably not wear this, or bahala na. And then a full bottle of Rexona. Berry Glow. I think this is new. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's gonna be inside the race kit. But definitely, I'll bring you guys with me on Sunday, and I'll probably end the vlog this. I'll probably end the vlog here and start a new vlog for the upcoming race on Sunday. So I'll see you guys again on the next one. Bye.